Oh my. Hot crush. Wanna go out sometimes? By the way, this is Kaden.
OMG! Yes, yes, yes! Haha, lol. I'm kidding. This is your father.
How are you feeling?
Dude, what happened last night? I think my arm is broken and my car is wrecked.
Well, you were so drunk that you climbed to the top of your garage. You started yelling, na 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 na, Batman! Then jumped off and landed on your car. And you didn't take me to the hospital? I was too busy laughing.
Mom.
You do nothing all day. You need to get out more. I convert oxygen into carbon dioxide. I regenerate cells. I transmit nerve signals to my brain. I digest food. How is nothing?
Wow. Dad.
You need to pick me up from school. I got suspended.
What? What did you do?
The teacher said that the stupidest person in the world lives in Canada.
And?
I said, no, sir. I think you're mistaken. You live in America.
That's my son.
Alex.
Hey, are you single?
No, I'm plural.
I meant, are you free this Friday night?
No, I'm freaking expensive every day of the week.
Do you want to go out?
Oh, sure. Why didn't you just say so?
Dude, do you want anything from Chick-fil-A?
Hurry up, because I'm about to order.
Girl, this is his girlfriend. Stop texting him.
Please sit down. I'm his cousin.
You're colorblind, right?
Why?
I just want to know.
Yeah, I am. I know the perfect birthday present to get you.
If you get me a Rubik's Cube, I will shoot you.
This is why you're all still single. You aren't gonna believe who is so beautiful.
Who?
Read the first two words. It takes only 1 minute to get a crush on someone, an hour to like someone, and a day to love someone. But it takes a lifetime to forget someone.
Once my mom forgot me in a parking lot.
Hey, sexy. This is Anna. I'm pretty sure that was meant for Kelly. You know, Kelly, your girlfriend?
Nope, it was meant for you.
Well, that changes things, doesn't it?
Aha! I won't tell if you don't tell.
I don't have to tell. Kelly is reading this over my shoulder.
OMG, 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 OMG!
What?
Jake asked me out!
OMG, when?
Just now! We have a date for February 30th.
Mom. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. Are you and your boyfriend Jake alright? Yeah, we're fine. Why'd you ask? Oh, well, I heard you screaming.
Die, you fat, evil pig.
Mom, I wasn't breaking up with him. I was playing Angry Birds. I'm sleepy.
Go to bed.
But I want to talk to you.
Then don't go to sleep.
But I am sleepy.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're such a jerk.
You're.
OMG, you're so annoying.
You're.
Stop doing that. You're making me mad.
You're.
Fine. I'm gonna slap your face.
You're.
Is there a German word which means you were trying to fix something but you made it even worse?
Verstlamberzern.
You really have such a word?
I hate you.
Oh, sorry. My cat stepped on my keyboard.
Lol.
Okay. Want to hear a secret?
Yeah, sure.
I don't have a cat.
Where are you?
I left early. Sorry. I couldn't stay longer.
What the F? Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Are you kidding me? Come back. You're drunk.
Don't worry. I called an Uber.
We drank at your place.
Oh, where am I going?